Okay, so I just want to take you on another journey. Eldad said we're going up this hill. There's another tomb up here. I'm going to see if I can make it up this hill. It's straight up, by the way. I just want to let you guys know that. Straight up. Oh, there he is, sitting beside another tomb. Okay, I'm here. This is just on the side of the road. Okay. Does that mean we're going in?
Yeah.
Oy vey.
No, oy vey.
No, oy vey. You sure it's not oy vey?
No, oy vey.
Okay.
Get in.
Okay, get in. Oh my gosh, oh Lord, I can't believe it. I'm doing this. Okay.
You don't believe you're doing this?
Yes, I don't believe I'm doing this.
Tomb crawling for your first time.
Okay, is there any like bugs or something in here? Okay, can I do it like this?
I don't think so.
Wow, no, I can see.
See what?
I see niches. I see big arches.
Yeah.
Is that... So here's another...
But if you stay there, you don't see the wonder.
Oh, you vey, okay.
You don't see the surprise.
Okay, this is going to be the funniest. Okay, this man. No, because I want everybody to go down on their back with me. Okay, I'm getting up my back. Okay, down with me. Oh, my
Get
word.
in.
Oh, Eldad, just say
Be my
get in.
guest.
I am on my back, folks.
I know.
On my back. Okay, I don't know what's going to be in my hair after this. Okay, I'm going in.
You don't know what?
Okay, I'm in the tomb.
Get in.
I'm in. I can't. No,
Let Noam in.
No, I don't think he's going to go in. Just tell me what I'm seeing. I'm seeing the tomb, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
One arch is here.
Is this going to be my burial place?
If you like.
Okay.
One burial arch is here.
Okay.
Here we have a double.
Oh, double. Husband
And
and wife.
even a cushion for the head of the dead. You
Now
see?
that's polite. Yeah, I get it. Oh my
It's
gosh.
a double.
Okay. I mean,
This one is also a single.
a single.
But
Okay.
I need Noam. Noam, please get in.
No, you have to get in.
I can't get in.
I know because I'm blocking the way. Okay, I know that most of you, I don't know what's on my arm. Something is on my arm. Okay, no, can you get in now? I don't really want to go down any further into this tomb.
Just remember,
Okay.
I'm serious.
Can you, okay, just a minute. Okay, just a minute. I'm going down.
Okay.
Okay, I know that you guys are laughing hysterical. No, can you get in now?
I can get in, but I will push you further.
Okay, push me. Just kind of put your legs around me or something.
Okay.
Okay. Wow, this is an adventure. Okay, so Eldad, tell us what's happening.
This tomb doesn't look Jewish first because it has arches, and second because it has no specified place for bones.
Right.
So this could not be Jewish.
Okay.
But if you get your head inside, you will see the butt.
Okay, where's
This.
oy vey there? Oh my God.
A 7 branches menorah.
So because it's not a Jewish tomb, this must be a Messianic tomb that we are in.
I wouldn't say must be, because as you already know by my presentation, Christians also use the 7 branches menorah.
Exactly.
It could be Christian,
Yeah.
and it could be Messianic Jewish, but
Yeah.
as we have no other Jewish mark around this place, no synagogue, no classic tombs,
Right.
nothing, no mikveh. So I guess this tomb belonged to either to Christians or Messianic Jews on the way out of Judaism.
Yeah. Okay.
But still there is the problem of specified place for bones.
Exactly.
And you cannot store bones here if you plan.
Yeah.
If there are dead
Right.
inside the niches.
Right. Could it be the Valley of Dry Bones right here where I'm sitting? Could that be the Valley of Dry Bones?
No.
No. Okay.
But these are first stage burials.
Okay. Okay.
And the owner used to put complete bodies here,
Right.
at least for the next year, the first year
Right.
after the death.
Exactly.
So, what the problem here is storing the bones.
Okay.
And I'm going to show you how they did it.
Okay. Do I have to crawl someplace?
No,
Okay, good.
and I'm crawling.
Okay. Are we gonna crawl out the cave now?
You may stay if you want.
Oh no, I'm going, but I just want to let you know, Noam, this is a great place. Okay.
Ahí
Know
está
this.
Oh.
We're just off a road somewhere. We're off a road somewhere. I can't explain.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna crawl out backwards on my back
You
out
don't
of
have
this.
to.
How do I get out?
On your belly.
On my belly. Okay, now I'm gonna go on my belly. Okay, so listen, you know what? Life is exciting when you have a friend like Eldad. Okay, love you, bye.